In the mountains of Japan, there lived a Zen master in a hidden temple. One day, a famous university professor crossed the mountains and knocked on the Zen master's door. "Master, I am a philosophy professor at a great university. I want to learn everything there is to know about Zen. Teach me your knowledge." The master invited the professor inside. "Please, have a seat. Let me offer you some tea." Even before sitting down, the professor began to speak. "Look, I have read Plato, Aristotle, Descartes. I have written 3 books on Buddhism. I have lectured to thousands of people at conferences. But Zen..." The master was carefully preparing the tea, all the while listening to the professor. "Zen is something I still don't understand. Can you teach me the true Zen?" The master silently began pouring tea into the professor's cup. The cup filled, but the master didn't stop. The tea began to overflow the rim. It poured onto the table. "Master, the cup, it's full." But the master kept pouring. "Master, it's full. It can't hold anymore. What are you doing?" The Zen master calmly replied, "This cup is exactly like your mind. It's completely full with your theories, your books, your ideas. Everything you think you already know. When the cup is already full, can I pour new tea into it? No, when your mind is this full, how can I show you Zen? First, you must empty your cup." At that moment, the professor understood. True wisdom does not lie in thinking you already know, but in being open to learning. With a touch of embarrassment, "Forgive me, master. Now I am ready to listen." The master smiled. Now, true learning can begin. The empty cup teaches us that, to learn, we must first learn to listen. Knowledge flows only into empty minds. The greatest wisdom is knowing that we do not know.